Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn simple equations. In that we are going to learn how to solve the equation by traditional as well as transposing method. Let us see how to do. We are having a question over here. 3x plus 4 is equal to 90. We have to solve the equation. So as you already know, we have to find the value of the unknown quantity. So to find in this process, what we are going to do, whatever the number it is with the variable, we have to separate the variable from that number. So we have to remove this 4 from here. So for that we will subtract 4 in this side, and the same we have to do on other side as well. This is nothing but traditional method. So this will get cancelled. So 3x will be equal to 15. Again we can see that the variable is still not separated. So now we will divide it by 3 on both the sides. So this 3 will get cancelled and this will be 5 times. So x is equal to 5. Now the same question I am going to do with the help of transposing method. 3x plus 4 is equal to 90. The next step is 3x is equal to 90 minus 4. Now children, you might be wondering how it has happened. Transposing means nothing but to change the side of the number. I have changed this 4. I have changed the side of this 4 from left hand side to right hand side by changing its sign. So it has become from this side, from left hand side, it goes to right hand side with negative sign. So 3x is equal to 19 minus 4, that is 15. Still you can see that x has not separated yet. So now the next step will be x is equal to 15 upon 3. Now how it has happened? Again I have changed the side of the 3. Here the 3 is in multiplication form. 3 multiplied by x. It will go to the other side in division form. You can see I have changed the side of this 3 from left hand side to right hand side, and I have divided. I have 3 was in multiplication form here. Now it will go that side and it will divide the number. Right? So now x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. This is nothing but transposing method. In the transposing method, transposing means changing the side of the number with its sign. So in the first case, what I have done, I have changed this 4 from this side to this side with the negative sign. Why? Because it was positive this side. Now when it will go this side, it will become negative. Again I have changed this 3 from this side to another side. Here it was in multiplication form. It goes in right hand side in division form. So this is nothing but transposing method, and in both the method you will get the same answer. Now let us do some more questions based on transposing method. Welcome back. Now let us solve the following equation. Here it is a upon 5 will be equal to 2 minus 3. Now how it has happened? I have changed the side of 3 from left hand side to right hand side with negative sign. Why? Because this was positive. So when it will come to other side, it will become negative. So this will be a upon 5 is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Now again the variable has still not separated. We have to change 5 from this side, left hand side, to right hand side, and it is in division form. So it will go to right hand side in multiplication form. So minus 1 into 5. So a is equal to minus 5. So when we are changing the side of a number from left hand side to right hand side, if the number is positive, it will go to right hand side in with negative sign. If the number is in multiplication form in left hand side, it will go to right hand side in division form. If the number is in division form in left hand side, it will go to right hand side in multiplication form. Right? Now come to this next question. We have to find the value of this x. So here it is 5x is equal to minus 5 into 2. Why? Because 2 was in division form in this side, and when it will go to right hand side, it will multiply with 5. Now 5x is equal to minus 10. Again now we have to remove 5 from this side. So it will be x is equal to minus 10 upon 5. 5 was in multiplication form. In left hand side, it will go to right hand side in division form. So it will be minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. Now let us see this question. This will be, first of all, it can be do either way. Either you open the bracket, multiply 2 with this bracket, with the numbers in the bracket, or else you can take it is in multiplication form, it will go that side and divide the 12. Either way it can be done. So let us see, let us open the bracket and multiply with 2. So it will be 2x plus 8 is equal to 12. Now 2x is equal to 12 minus 8. I have changed the side of 8 from left hand side to right hand side with negative sign. So now 2x is equal to 4. Again I have to change the side of this 2. It is in multiplication form. It will go to other side in division form. So x is equal to 2. So these are the solutions of the given equations. Hope you all have understood.